attention. Hello. So, we've had a problem with these two words today, borrow and lend. In a way, they mean something very similar, but we have to use different English to make them work. This one is all about me, nothing about you. It's about me. So you say, can I borrow a pen? Oh, and I'll put the word please, just because we're English and we need to be polite. So when I use the word borrow, I say, can I borrow? Can I borrow a pen? Remember this. This one is all about you. It's the same question, but it's this. Have a look. Can you lend me a pen? So they're the same question. Can I borrow a pen from you? Can you lend me a pen? They mean the same thing, but please could you write this down on your paper so that you can say the words correctly. Can I borrow a pen, please? Can you lend me a pen? Okay?
Yeah.